Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and I have an outgoing swap. This is a book box swap hosted by Debbie Adams, whom is Deborah's Creative Life here on YouTube, and she is Mad Crafting Skills on Facebook, and this is based on a live that she had not too long ago, and she told us how to make these awesome boxes, and this is my share of what I did and what is going out. So these were no dies involved for making the boxes. You just cut your paper the dimensions she says, you score where she says, and voila, you have a box. There is a topper you can see. So anyway, so here's this one. I think it's a KF's Crafts die, or I don't know. It is, you see I'm using a little embroidery die set and a couple of different butterflies. This is a butterflies embellishments swap, kind of along that lines. There's definitely spring vibe going on. I am using Fifth and Monaco's Pink Paisley digital collection. I go to this. It really is a great collection. So you can see there, I hope. I did use some lunar paste just for a pop of sun. I like some sun there. So anyway, here's the topper on this one. And I had this in my stash. Okay. And so it opens up. Here's the side. And then here's the back. There we go. And then you open it up. And here's a very large pocket. I used the KF's Crafts bow, and you know what? I made it upside down. So apparently in crafting, there's no wrong way to craft. But I went upside down with the die. It can be a one and done box. So anyway, sorry. I was tired, I think, I must have been. So anyway, here's this pocket. Oh, and also she wanted a index card, and then to leave room, and then the recipient can write down some information on the back. Here's my card. You can even write a little bit in here. The digital collection comes with a very large ephemera packet, and I end up using the same ones all the time because I just like the sheet. I happen to make it in Canva, and then I print it up. So it's really easy to take them if you don't, even if you don't have a Cricut or a Silhouette or some kind of digital machine. If you don't mind fussy cutting and you can print and you know how to play in Canva, you can do quite a bit with these digital collections, because that's all you need. So just a tip there. And so I made a really simple tab. I used one of the cut aparts. Like I said, I happened to size it this size, and I thought it was perfect for an index card. I'm just throwing this little piece in here, and then here is my magnetic bookmark. Voila. So I'm really pleased with how it came out, and I'm wondering if I should put my details, like I think I'm going to write Debbie's book box swap there, So these go back in this pocket. And then over here, there was supposed to be, I believe, a store-bought goodie. And so I am sending a keychain that I made, and it is a coffee, because I love coffee. And then it was a butterfly embellishment. So I have this 3-piece die set, and I cut out a whole bunch of butterflies. So there's, oh my gosh, 4, 5, 6, 7. I tried to do 9 to 10 die cuts. The green metallic was a real fussy paper to work with. It did not want to die cut for me. Okay, and then I'm sending a cookie, a sweet treat, and it's all inspired. Tiffany, Crafting Like a Boss McGill, she got me really thinking about sending treats and swaps. So she's the influence, and I still have these Rip Van honey and oats, and I thought it was appropriate for spring. You know, bees and honey and oats, because they grow in the field. So anyway, this is what I am sending. Let me pop these back in, and I will show you the other 2 boxes. Okay, so I'm going to put that one there, and then we have this one with the yellow bird. I just happen to have these little birds in my stash, and again, I've pretty much tried to copy them all on top, and the same in here. The bookmarks, I don't know, I was tired when I was making those too, so but anyway, everybody gets a bookmark. And I tried to keep the index cards identical, and the same with the keychain and the die cuts, and again with a cookie. Okay, so there's that one, and again an upside down butterfly bow. Yeah, because, you know, that way you really know it's me. Yeah, hey, if I don't make myself laugh, no one will. There we go, and here is the green bird. I just think they turned out so cute. It's adorable. Well, I hope everyone likes these. I never know, because rarely do they post. So here we go. Same again, bookmark and keychain, die cuts, and a cookie. And this was a pretty simple swap, other than making the box. That was the most time consuming part, and then figuring out how I wanted to do my magnetized bookmark. So there we go. I am super pleased with how they came out, and I hope that everyone likes them. And thank you so much for watching this video. This is Denise again, and this is Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my crafty mind came up with. And these are the treasures I am sending to Debbie's book box swap. Okay, check out Debbie's channel. I will leave her link down in my description box. Consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribing. Thank you so much. If you are thinking about participating in my birthday challenge, here it is. And you guys, if you are, within range of getting it to me. I'm doing the drawing on the 14th, and I know I said the May 27th, but if you do a VR and let me know that you're sending something, as long as I get it by the 13th of June, I am doing the drawing on June 14th, 2024. Again, here is the requirements. Hashtag Road to 54 B-Day. And it is a hashtag spring showers, bring May flowers, birthday challenge in your style, your favorite colors, crafter's choice for packaging. These will be used in future projects as they come up. Not necessarily for gifting, but the birthday card I will be gifting. Those will be used for future happy mails. Okay? Awesome! Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Be safe, be kind. Hugs.